released in fire. Most of them are toxic emissions, and actually, in fires, the leading cause of death is intoxication. These toxic emissions usually appear before that airborne particles. And the problem is that conventional detectors do not detect these toxic emissions because they are based on light scattering or ionization. On the other hand, fire detectors based on chemical sensor arrays can detect these toxic emissions. Moreover, can protect people against intoxication and also provide an early and reliable fire detection. Since mid-90s, fire detectors based on chemical sensor arrays has been explored, but these kind of detectors still need to face several challenges. For example, cross-sensitivities, influence of environmental conditions, and long-term stability. In this way, our objective is the development of a system based on chemical sensor arrays for fire detection, for a reliable fire detection, and also this system has to be robust to noises. We have three important or specific objectives: the early fire detection, the reliable fire detection, and the integration of an embedded sensor fusion algorithms. This thesis will combine three important parts. The first one is the hardware design. In this stage, we're going to implement a design system, an electronic device, which combine different sensing technologies. A second stage is the definition of experimental protocols of fire and nuisance, and with our prototype, we're going to generate, in a small scale and in standard fire rooms, these experiments. With all the measurements, we're going to develop and validate algorithms capable to reject nuisance and to predict fire. And also, these algorithms have to be capable to deal with all the difficulties of chemical sensor systems. But the main goal of this project is the development of algorithms to detect fire. Well, these are the tasks of the PhD, of this PhD thesis. Sorry. First of all, in the last months, I explored all the state-of-the-art fire detectors with chemical sensing. And also, I designed a first prototype of this electronic device which combines several kind of gas sensor technologies. And also, we performed some experiments of fire and nuisance under lab conditions. Now, we're working in the development of algorithms capable to project nuisance and to predict fire in a reliable way. We expect in the next months to receive a second prototype, but this time the prototype was designed for the European project Safe Sense, for some group of this project. And with this second prototype, then in the second year we expect to perform more experiments, but this time the experiments will be performed in a standard fire room. So in this way, we have to adapt all our algorithms to these new scenarios. Also, we're planning a research stay in LTM group in Southern University. This group has experience to detect fire with sensing systems, and then after all this work, we hope to implement an embedded system in a microprocessor with all the algorithms inside. Then, and finally, I'm going to write my thesis and then defend it. Bueno, y esto es todo. Si tienen alguna pregunta, por favor, siéntanse libres de hacerla. Y bueno, estas son unas de la bibliografía.